This video explores the energy field effects of the red and violet vibranz lasers. The research presented here was performed by myself, Beverly Kuhn. I'm a naturopathic doctor and mind-body integrative therapist and also the head of GDV Southwest, a company specializing in biofield analysis. I'm one of 2 KTI-certified biofield analysts in the USA. KTI is the parent company of the GDV system, which I utilize for all my research. The GDV Pro system is cutting-edge scientific-grade technology developed by a team of biophysicists, medical doctors, and other researchers headed by Dr. Konstantin Kurakov. Widely used in hospitals, medical clinics, universities, and research facilities worldwide, this device is known for its accuracy and repeatability of results, and is used to capture, compare, and contrast the energy field properties of living beings, water, the spatial field, and so on. This video examines the effects of the red and violet vibranz lasers on both the energy field of water and on the human energy field after drinking water that had been lasered for 3 minutes by the red laser. So first, we'll look at how water itself was affected. The protocol was simple. I used regular tap water and filled 3 glasses. I left one alone as the baseline and lasered another for 3 minutes with the red laser and the third with the violet laser. I then tested a drop from each glass with the GDV Pro camera, processing the results through the Scilab software. Each drop of water was the exact same size. What you are looking at here is the size of the glow area of the drop. The glow area represents the amount of energy present in the water sample. It's easy to see the differences in glow size. The baseline tap water on the left, the red lasered water in the center, and the violet laser on the right. This graph measures the parameter of total intensity. Total intensity is the amount of life force or brightness present in the water being measured. The higher on the scale, the more life force energy is present. And it's quite evident that both the red laser water and the violet laser water have much greater life force than the regular tap water. Here's a close-up of the chart. The red dot is the baseline water, the blue dot is the water lasered with the red laser, and the green dot is the water lasered with the violet laser. The difference is striking. There were some other interesting findings of note. I noticed in testing that the lasered water had a much lower resistivity or resistance than the tap water. And this is a characteristic found in distilled water. Low resistance in water correlates with relative purity and suggests that the impurities in the tap water have greatly diminished. Very interesting side effect of lasering. Lowered resistance lowers surface tension. This allows the water to permeate the cell membranes in the human body much more easily, therefore facilitating greater hydration. Many people have difficulty getting hydrated. No matter how much water they drink, their cells are just not able to absorb the water they take in. So this is a very important factor to note. Greater hydration is not only healthier for the system, but also allows the healing qualities, in this case the blueprint frequencies in the water, to permeate the cells better, giving us much more life force, energy, and vitality as a result. Remember, over 60% of our body as a whole is composed of water. Our heart and brain are 75% water. Needless to say, the field effects of these lasers on water in general are immediately transferred to our bodies on drinking, carrying the healing benefits of the blueprint frequencies to every part of our being. All this, of course, creates more health and vitality. So let's look at the effects on the human energy field. First, an initial energy field capture was taken, and this, of course, served as the baseline. 30 minutes after drinking the red laser water, a second capture was taken. The following slides show the results. And please note here that what you'll see in the physical field are very unusual and quite remarkable findings in so short a time. First, a before and after comparison of the psycho-emotional field. It's a very, very big difference here. And next, a before and after comparison of the physical field. It is worth mentioning again that such quick and immediate changes in the physical field are extremely rare. In fact, I have to say as a researcher, I have never found such immediate changes in the physical field to take place. And yet, the changes are very evident and striking. So these are very impressive results. All this with just regular tap water. It's so easy to make. Just 3 minutes of lasering turns water into an energizing, vitalizing drink, creating health, vitality, and well-being for your whole being, body, mind, and soul. So finally, some things to remember when using lasers. Research shows that red wavelength, which is typically 635, facilitates cellular healing and DNA repair. The wavelength of the violet laser, which is 405 nanometers, is antimicrobial in nature. Using the two in tandem can certainly be very beneficial. And always, with lasers, less is definitely more. When using it on the body, a good rule of thumb is 3 to 5 minutes, no more than 2, maybe 3 times a day, and spaced no closer than 90 minutes apart. This allows the cells to absorb the photons without overloading them.